we're going to be fixing the liftgate in this video. And isn't it annoying when the liftgate on the PT just likes to sag or fall down, and you always have to like prop it up, hold it on your head or your shoulders? That's because the support rods, also called the support arms, the liftgate, the hatch, the rear door support arms, these have failed. And you know, after 20 years or however old your PT is, that's pretty common for these arms in any vehicle to start to go bad, and they don't, you know, have the hydraulic pressure that they're supposed to not only hold the door open, but you know, once you start opening that door, they actually assist and help, you know, raise that door on its own, so you kind of get it started, and then you can kind of let go, and these hydraulic support arms will push it up. There's two of them, one on each side, and just going to show you really quick how to replace them both. That is super easy. So here we go. While we're working on the rear door, there's another piece that may need to be replaced, and it's just a little grommet where the rear wiper arm goes. It goes into the glass, and over time that grommet can start to disintegrate, fail, fall apart, and then you have water leak coming through the rear windshield into your rear door, and it can get nasty and it can ruin parts and that kind of stuff. So you can replace that. It's pretty simple. It will require you to remove the plastic trim that's on the back door. On the inside, most of it just pops right off. You pull and it pops off. There is on the last large piece up here, there is one little plug, body plug, that you got to pop out first before it will come off. And then you can get inside underneath this piece to where the rear wiper motor is, and that wiper motor, the little gear that the wiper arm attaches to, passes through the grommet that we need to replace. Let me show you that. That's right here. Let me bring the camera in close so you can see what's going on, and the grommet I'm talking about. So once you pop off, there's also a little plastic cover, take off the wiper arm. Then from the inside you can pull the rear wiper motor down through and out, and then you can replace this little grommet right here that's right on the glass. That will go bad and can cause leakage and whatnot. While you do this, you can also reposition your rear wiper if you need to. The vehicle that the 2001 PT that I do this on, when I first got it, the wiper arm had an angle that was, kind of down to here. It was coming down on to the seal of the rear window, so it was a good chance to reposition that wiper arm. You can do that at any time. It just is that one nut below this little plastic cover, 13mm nut. Take that off, and then you can just pull the rear arm off of its little gear and put it at a better position so that it wipes well. One other thing, while you are in there working on the rear wiper motor or that grommet, and you have taken off the trim that's in the back, particularly this center upper piece, right behind there is the upper on the top of the liftgate brake lights, and those can sometimes go out. There's 3 bulbs back there, and while you're in there you can either replace those bulbs or upgrade to LEDs, which will be brighter and last longer, which is what I like to do on my PTs when I work on them.